Hey guys, I am back with part 2 of this video and we're going to get right into the video. So this is a mammoth elephant ear bulb. It is also called the Colocasia Esculenta. I believe I'm saying that correctly, but if I'm not, please do not come in my comments trying to correct me. Thank you. So yeah, I did purchase this from Home Depot. A lot of you let me know in the comments you found them cheaper, and I'll be sure to check out those stores because I am obsessed and I want more. So this is a easy two-step process. The packaging does a very good job of explaining how to plant the bulb, and it also gives you some extra tips on how to take care of it. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. This is the top of the bulb, and then this is the bottom half. All bulbs look differently, so if you are not sure which side is the top, you can plant it sideways and the plant will kind of figure itself out, if that makes sense. Another way you can tell the difference is the rings around the top. That's going to indicate that is the top of the bulb. Next, this is the container I'll be using. It has great drainage and I will be filling it up about this far. I actually think I went a little bit further because I wanted the bulb to be higher up in the pot. And I didn't use any special potting mix. This is just container mix I purchased from Home Depot. I always add leca balls to my soil mixture, and I also added some bark to this as well. And basically you want to continue filling up the planter until you get to the top and you have completely covered the bulb. I feel like I'm saying bulb a lot in this video. And then once you've topped it off with soil and got it all the way covered, you're going to go ahead and water it and place it in a very sunny area. If you like this video, follow for part 3. I'll be posting weekly updates to show you guys how it grows. And leave a comment and tell me, what should I plant next?